I'm doing it like they do it at the TV. They count down 5, 4, 3, and then.
But we're not live, and I'm going to be cutting this.
I'm still doing it.
Okay, you're fine.
No, he's not.
Do I need to do it again?
Yes, do it again.
Hold on, let me.
Do you want me to? This thing is starting out already.
Hold on.
All right.
Hold on.
Oh,
you want me to count all the way down? You want
Try
me
to
to
watch
count
the language,
5,
too.
4, 3, 2?
Yes.
We're not.
Yeah, and then I'm recording this time. Like, we're rolling, and we're going into the music. So, Chris, get ready. Wipe that face off your face.
Okay, I'm counting
Face
down.
off your face. Go ahead.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Perfect.
And welcome back, friends. We are back here at the Guillotines and Guitar Studio for Cut 2 of Season 2 of Cut 2. Or Cut 2 or Season 2. Correct. It don't matter.
You were right.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Had a little break. We had a nice little time apart from each other. But I just couldn't wait to get together tonight, man. I don't know. I've been ready to talk some Guillotines and guitars. I'm excited. I'm a little overexcited.
A little bit.
Yeah.
You just come off of a cruise, didn't you?
I came off of a cruise, man. I went down to the...
I heard those gay cruisers were picking back up.
They getting popular again.
I know.
There was
There's some wild things going on there, I think.
Yeah.
Man, I had a blast. I've been to
A blast.
Was it in your face?
He said that
This
cruise.
show just took a
He said
left
it
turn
takes-
real
He
fast.
said it takes a few days to get him walking right again. He's got to get rid of his sea legs.
I'm not talking about my cruise anymore.
Hey, there were a bunch of seamen out there.
Damn it. Y'all got any more? Any more?
Was the waters rough out there?
It was, going there it was.
Your teeth do look a little pearly white.
Hey, Chris walked on board and went,
Look at my nipples. Look at my nipples. Look at my nipples. When did the hell did this happen? Look at my nipples. Holy
So
Hey,
I can't say nothing around this guy.
Language, though.
hold on.
Give me one margarita. I'm going to open my leg.
Is this live from the cruise?
Yes.
Oh, my God. No, it's not. No, it's not. Trey's taking sound bites from my ass and turning around on me.
I haven't taken anything from your
So the cruise you went on, did it have a topless deck?
I can't even think right now. Hold on. No, we didn't have a topless deck.
It didn't?
No topless deck. It had an adult area. You had to be clothed. My mouth's hurting.
Still from the cruise?
From laughing, holes. From laughing. Walked right into that one, didn't I? Can we be mature from it?
We just try to find out. I want to know about your cruise.